Alright, I have a quick little product video for you today. I hope you find it helpful. So recently I made the move to 30s on the baby Jeep. Unfortunately, in the process, I managed to scuff up my headliner with tire smudge. So, I scoured the internet for a way to clean the smudgy garbage off and decided to give Chemical Guy's lightning fast stain extractor a try. Instructions are simple, just spray it on, scrub it, then wipe it off. Holy crap, it worked. Would you look at that? So yeah, as you can see, it totally did a thing. I'll throw links in the description if you want to actually buy this garbage, because it works. Yeah, thanks for watching.